Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit subscribe and like this video. So today I'll do another unboxing of the Senada bike. As you can see, this bike is a Senada bike Herald, and the other one is Saber. Yes, they're like relatives, they're siblings, because the Saber, it's about the same as a Herald. The only difference are the frame. The Herald, it's a step through, and Saber, it's a step over bike. I'll ride it and I'll tell you if I feel any difference in frame, because I think difference in frame might be also give you different experience of riding, not only convenience to use a frame, because the step through frame will be much easier to get on the bike. But I'll tell you everything at the end of the video if it's good. But right now I'll do the unboxing to show you how easy to assemble. It comes about 95% assembled already, so it should be very easy for anybody. But if you have any problems to assemble, you can take to your local shop. They'll do it, probably not expensive. I did before with my other bikes. It's a big sales right now on Saber, and you can check link in description. There should be special code for you, for my subscribers. So again, please subscribe to my channel, because I will post all the specials available for every e-bike I will do unboxing or review. So that's how the bike will look in the box. It comes with a box inside. Inside this small box you'll find manual, like instruction, and also the charger, pedals, some tools, and also they include the special like thread lock. So first I'm gonna remove all the zip ties. So the first you would install the tires. That's what I like first, so the bike will be stable on the ground. So I would remove all the plastic from the side, unscrew these nuts. It is a good idea to remove completely this nuts, so this way it will be much easier to put in. So I'm gonna remove from both sides. I hold this fork with one hand and step with the feet on this plastic underneath and just pull it up and roll in the tire. Make sure you put between these two pads in a brake, and that's it. So the first you would put the hook washer, then you put just regular washer on top of it, and the nut. Same thing you will do on another side. The next step, I would attach the handlebar. So I would remove these four screws. You can do by hand. Once you remove this piece, you would attach the handlebar, basically just bringing all the way up and put this piece on top of it over here, and attach with the same screw you removed. So only 4 screws, and you do everything by hands first. Now I would attach a mudguard and headlight. You would have to remove these 2 screws from both sides in order to attach the mudguard. Also remove this screw, and you would need it to attach it. The headlight, mudguard from the behind, and would attach it on the same screw with that headlight on, and really tighten with the nut that comes. And then you would attach the side with the same screw you removed. Everything I do with hands first, and then I'll use a tool to tighten up. And you do this from both sides. The next step, after attaching the mudguard and light, I would attach pedals. It comes again with left and right. So the right going to the right side, and again I do everything by hand first. and then I'll retighten with the tools from both sides. And now it's bike almost assembled. I'm gonna remove this protective cover, retighten all the nuts everywhere, remove protective cover from the display, and adjust the handlebars. That's why I didn't tighten them well. I will adjust it with the seat, see how comfortable, and retighten the pedals, recharge the battery, and go for a ride. Alright guys, so the bike is fully assembled. So what I did, attach the wheel, the mudguard, charge the battery fully, attach the handlebar, the pedals, adjust the seat, and adjust the brakes. And that's all you need. Once you set to ride, make sure all the bolts are tightened well, and it's easy to ride this bicycle because it's a pretty simple display, very clear even on the bright light. It's right now it's very sunny, and let me show how to use. So you turn on the M over here, like that. It'll turn on, and even you go outside on the sun, you can still see it. Very clear display, one of the best display for the riding on the sun. It's not colorful but very clear. And then you can change this pedal assist level by pressing the upper arrow over here. It will change pedal assist. If you hold it for a few seconds, it will turn on the light. Turn it off, you just press it and hold it for a few seconds and it will turn it off. This button over here, it's throttle cutoff. It's designed for people just in case if you touch the throttle, the bike can get crazy, but if you press the red button, it will disable it, okay? To change the shift, it's pretty simple. So if you need to go from 1 to 7, you just push this button, it will go. If you need to go to 7 to 1, you just push this button and it will go low. In order to go to programming settings, you hold these two buttons, up and low, for a few seconds. It will start to blink, and then you can use the M to go through this P programming. So it will be, if you need to change the mileage from mile to kilometers or from kilometer to miles, so you have to select P02 by pressing M, and then you can change by pressing low, you will go to kilometer, or you press upper arrow, it will go to miles. And then you just press both of them at the same time and it will just go back. So the bike comes with a locking fork. You can lock the fork or unlock it. It does have a preload adjustment over here, and it comes with 160 mechanical brakes, 160 millimeters, with aluminum stand. It's pretty good stand. The battery on this side on both bikes a little bit come out because the frame are not that thick, so the battery is big. It's about 9 pounds battery, and it's like half built-in battery, so it's not, you see it's only half, the rest of it is in the frame. So it's a big battery. It takes about 6 to 8 hours I think to charge it fully. It does have 7-speed Shimano and Bafang motor. I can say the motor is very powerful, and it's not just numbers, it is more powerful than many other bikes I rode. This wheel comes with nice tires, as you can see, very good traction to go off-road, on the sand, in the rain. I think it's a great commuter, or just going for fun off-road if you want to. It comes with a rear tail light and of course front light, which is integrated. The tail light, it's on the battery. I believe it's on 2 AA battery, and it comes with comfortable seat, pretty wide seat. Out of the box, I didn't adjust the derailleur because it was working perfectly. Many bikes I got before, you have to adjust the derailleur, but with this bike it's just working perfectly out of the box. Alright, so let's go for a ride. Alright, now I'm gonna do the speed test. So I'll use GPS and display to see if the speed is matching. And it's already 10 miles. So pick up speed really quick with throttle only. Already 20, 24, 26, 27. I'm gonna run another test right now, going this way. So let's see how fast I can get. Throttle only. It's 26 now. 27 and a half. 28. 28 and 5. And I break it. So I got 30 top speed on GPS and 28.5 miles on display. Test on the grass. It's a little bit wet here, but I got mud guards. Easy, like 17, 18 miles an hour. So it's very powerful even for the grass. With short distance, I think it will go much faster. Based on the GPS and my knowledge, I tested many bikes. GPS always show about 2 miles less than actual mileage is. So based on this GPS I have, it showed me 30 miles, so it means 32. Display gave me 20.5. I think this bike display show a little bit less, and again I weight about 215 pounds. If you lighter, it might go even faster. And many people ask me question, this bike, is this a motorcycle or is this a bicycle? And this basically a bicycle, electric bicycle, which can be used as a bicycle with a pedal assist. It can be used as motorcycle because it does have a throttle and going up to 35 miles. But I want to show you, I can ride it right now with no power at all as a regular bicycle. I think there's not much difference. The only difference, this one comes with a big fat tires, and you can adjust 7 speeds to make it to go lighter on your legs, so you will not get tired much, or you can even go faster if you want to by pedaling harder, increase the speed. But it is a bicycle. Even your battery dead, you can ride it as a regular bicycle with no problem. The shifter works great. It's 7 speed and it's easily can be used as a regular bicycle. Of course, it's kind of heavy. It's 72 pounds, I believe, but you do get big motor with this bicycle. It does look like more motorcycle because of fat tires, but there's no problem to ride it on flat surface in the city as a regular bicycle, I guess. It's a pretty soft ride due to the fat tires. You don't really need suspension, like full suspension. The front fork works really good. For the city, it's a perfect, powerful bike. If you try to ride as a bicycle, you can turn on the power assist, pedal assist. It will give you up to 5 pedal assist level. You can go off-road, or you can use this for commute to work, school, or just fun activities, because it includes the rack already. And very convenient and fun and healthy, better than car or motorcycle. but it does look very cool. So I want to show you side by side, like compare to show you the difference between Saber and Herald Senada bikes. So both of them recommended for height 5'7" to 6'6" tall, but as you can see, the difference main, it's a frame, of course the color, I'll talk to you about this later, but Saber, it's a step over bike, so the frame a little bit higher. With Herald, it's a step through, but it's not really like step through bikes as most people would think step through, because it's still hard to step through since the frame is still very high. So if you really want to have step through, it should be about 15 to 18 inch above the ground. But if you height over 5'11", then you can still step through probably easily as me. Again, the spec as a motor, controller, and the display exactly the same. Both of them comes with a USB port over here. You can charge your phone. Both of them have it. Charge your phone, connect to your light, and they have the same parts. So the difference, the frame, since the frame a little bit different, the wiring is different on the Saber. As you can see, the wiring outside for the derailleur and the brakes. But with Herald, it's all hidden inside the frame, which is make it a little bit more cleaner. Still looks sleek, and if you're buying black one, you will not see the wire much. As the wiring over here, it's well managed. The light the same, the tire the same, the wheel, everything the same. So you decide which one you like most. The Saber comes with more color, like red rims, and so they have more color, so you might consider if you like different colors. With the Herald, it comes only white and black. The seat exactly the same, the rack exactly the same, the power, the experience of me riding on those both bikes exactly the same. I didn't feel much difference at all. It's a very fast bicycle, very powerful, and the price is very reasonable. So please check the link in description, and make sure you wear a good helmet. This one is by Nito. It's protect up to 28 miles per hour. In America, usually they test it up to 15. So you can check link in description, more information about this helmet, and it comes with a both light. So always wear the glasses protecting your eyes from different debris or flies. And again, guys, thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Enjoy your ride.